Good morning to one another. So today my topic is the how to find the net force. How to find the net force. Today my topic is the in 8th class how to find the net force. How to find the net force. Once I will recall the last classes definitions. Last classes we are discussing about the first of all what is the definition of the force. What is the definition of the force and examples. Force examples and types of the forces. Types of forces and types of the forces. Again, the force is divided into two types. One is the contact force. One is the contact force. One is the contact force. One is the contact force, and the second one is the force at a distance. Force at a distance. Force at a distance. How many types of forces? Two types. First one is the contact force, and the second one is the force at a distance. Again, contact force also divided into four types. First one is the muscular force. Second one is the frictional force, and the third one is the normal force, and next to tension force. These are the types of the contact force. Again, force at a distance also divided into three types. First one is the gravitational force. First one is the gravitational force, and the second one is the magnetic force. And second one is the what is the name of magnetic force, and the third one is the electrostatic force. These are the types of the force at a distance. Three types, and contact force divided into four types: muscular force, friction force, normal force, and tension force. And last class we are discussing about the when we apply any one body to apply the one force, there are change the three factors. First one is the changes in speed of the body. Changes in speed of the body. Okay, when we apply the one force on one object, immediately they can change the speed. Next, second one is the change the direction of the body. Change in the direction of body or object. Next, third one is the change in the shape of the body. Third one is the change in shape of the body. These are the topics. Last class we are discussing about the definition of the force, examples, and types of forces. There are two types: contact force and force at a distance. Again, contact force also divided into four types: muscular force, frictional force, normal force, and tension. Next, force at a distance divided into three categories: gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. Again, now we are discussing about the when we apply the one force is applied any one object, they can divide the three factors to change. The first one, change in the speed of the object, change in the direction of the body or object, change in the shape of the body or object. These are the previous classes definitions. Now today our topic, my topic is the what is the definition of the net force? What is the definition of the net force? Come on, tell me, what is the definition of the net force? The sum of the algebraic. Now I will write the definition. The sum of the algebraic. All the forces are acting on a one body, on one body, on a one body is known as net force, is known as the net force. What is the definition of the net force? The sum of the algebraic, all the forces are acting on one body. This body is known as the net force. Come on, tell me what is the definition of net force? The sum of the algebraic, all the forces are acting on a one body, is known as the net force. For example, I will draw one picture. It is a one object. Here only all type of forces are acting on the one body. All forces are coming to the one body. This type of the body is known as the. So the sum of the algebraic, all the forces are acting on a one body. This body is known as the net force. This body is known as the net force. Understand all numbers? Now only I will say the one example of the net force. Example 1. We are taking the one bench. This bench is also kept on the floor. Now only I will call for the one boy. A boy is come here and just to push the boy. Is it moving? In the first cases, the bench cannot be moving. Only rest position. Once again, I will say the example of the net force. We will take the one wooden bench. We will take the which type of bench? Wooden bench. And this bench is kept on the floor, ground floor or floor. Okay. Generally, we are called for the one boy. A boy is coming here and just to this boy is pushing the bench. The bench position is not moving, only rest position. Again, in the second example, it is example 1. And again, in the second example, again we will take the same type of the wooden bench and call for helping the another boy. A boy is coming here. Here only two persons are pushing the bench. In this position, the bench is moving easily. Why? Here only extra another force is acting. Two forces are acting on the bench. That's why the bench is moving on easily to change the position. Next, third example, we will take another type of the wooden bench and take and come and here only kept. One side is one boy is pushing and same time opposite to another boy is pushing the bench. Okay now. Now only what is the position of the benches? So one boy pushing the one side pushing and another side another boy opposite to pushing the same thing. Okay now. What is the position of the body? Here only the position of the bench is constant. Does not to change the position. So now only formula for the net force F net is equal to formula F1 minus F2. These are the formula for the how to find the net force. Here only F1 means here F1 means first boy pushing the bench. Okay, now force F1 and second one F2 is the second one opposite to another person. Opposite to another person pushing the table. It is a force F2. So totally how to find the net force formula? F net is equal to F1 minus F2. These are the formula for the find out of the net force. Are you understanding all numbers? Once again I will say the repetition of the definition. What is the definition of the net force? The sum of the algebraic, all the forces are acting on a one body is known as the net force. Okay now. Example 1. Generally we take any one wooden type of the bench. Generally call for one boy. This boy is pushing the bench. The The bench does not do moving. Again we will call for the another. We will call for the another person. Say another person. Two boys are just to pushing the benches. So the bench position is easily moving. And third cause is we'll take the another bench. This bench also made with the wooden, and one boy one side pushing and same time opposite another boy pushing the benches. Okay na? So now only we will draw the formula for F net is equal to here F net means net force. How to calculate net force is equal to F1 minus F2. These are the example of the formula for the net force. And here only F1 is the force of the first person. Next F2 is equal to opposite to person of the force F2. Understanding all numbers. Now only we are discussing to find the net force from the problems. Problems on net force. How to find them. For example, okay now. For example, I'll take the first problem. Here only we do the first problem. It is a one body. This side body apply the force 6 newtons. Again downward apply the again 12 newtons. And this side 12 newtons. Okay now. Now only find the net force. Okay now only find the net force. So first of all write the formula. Formula is equal to formula what to F net is equal formula F1 minus F2. Okay now here only two types of forces there. This is the left side force, it is the right side forces. So first one F1 is equal to totally how many forces are there? 6 F1 plus 12, that is totally 18 newtons. Again we are find the right side forces. Total how many are there? 12. So F2 is equal to how many are there? 12 newtons. Now find out the net force. F net is equal to formula F1 minus F2. That is equal to F1 value how much? Here only 18. Minus F2 value how much? 12. So totally remaining also what? 6 newtons. So totally net force is equal to 6 newtons. 6 newtons. Are understanding all numbers? How to find out the net force on the particular object? Again we do the another problem. Second problem. It is a one body. This side do the 10 newtons. Again same time right side do the 9 newtons. Now only find out the net force. Net force is equal to formula what? F1 minus F2. So here only left side force F1 is equal to how much? 10 newtons. Again F2 is equal to how much? 9 newtons. So totally F net is equal to formula F1 minus F2, that is equal to 10 minus 9 equal to 1 newtons. 1 newton. These are the examples of how to find out the net force. Same like we are do the another problem. Third problem. So here only do the one side, this is one side 9 newtons and downward doing the 8 newtons. Okay now. So F net is equal to formula what? F1 minus F2. So F1 is equal here how much? F1 is equal to 9 newtons and F2 is equal to 8 newtons. Totally F net is equal to F1 minus F2. F1 minus F2. That is equal to F1 how much here only? 9. F2 8 is equal to 1 newtons. These three are the examples of how to find out the net force. How to find out the net force. How to find out the net force. Okay, now again we have to do the another types of the problems. Okay, do. Next to another type of the problems. Fourth problem. Here only this type of body 5 newtons. Here only do the 10 newtons, and here only do the 10 newtons. Find out the net force. Find out the net force. Find out the net force. So F net is equal to formula F1 minus F2. Formula what? F1 minus F2. So F1 is equal to here only how much? 5 plus 10 is equal to totally 50 newtons. Again F2 is equal to how much? Right side F2 is equal to 10 newtons. Now only find out the net force is equal to total net force. F net is equal to F1 minus F2. F1 how much? 15 minus F2 10 newtons. That is equal to 5 newtons. These are the examples of how to find out the net force. How to find out the net force. How to find out the net force. Next we are discussing about the another topic. For example, we will take any one object. This object is kept on the bench, and when we apply the force, what changes can we make the this body? For example, I will take the. So next topic is the we will take the any one body. We will take any one type of the object or body. We will take any one object. Now only just we apply the forces on the body. Next we will apply the force on the body. What changes immediately? When we take any one type of the body, immediately you are applying the one force on the body. There are three factors are changed. First one, change in the speed of the body. Changes in the speed of the body. First one is the changes in the speed of the body. Speed of the object or body. Example 1. For example, you only take the one ball. So starting only, the ball position is the rest position. It is one ball. Starting only, the ball position is the rest position. The ball is rest position. Okay na? When we apply the force on the ball, automatically the ball is going to move into one place to the another place. The ball is to pick up the speed. Pick up the speed. So here only change in this example, change in the speed of the object. Okay na? Starting only we will take the one ball. The ball position is the rest position. When we apply the force on the body, automatically the ball position is the changes to pick up the speed. Next, second one, changes in the direction of the body object. Changes in direction of object. Changes in direction of the object. We will take any one type of the football. This football is to kept on the floor. Okay. Generally, coming to one boy and to kick the football. So the ball is going to any direction. It is going to south direction, north direction, east direction, and west direction. Any direction to go. These are the example of the change in the direction of the object. Change in the direction of the object. Next, third one is the change in the shape of the object. Third one is the changes in shape of the object. Shape of the object. For example, we will take one plastic scale or rubber scale. This rubber scale is kept on the two heavy bricks. This is the one scale. This scale is middle between the any two bricks. Okay now. After some loaded also added on the object. After some time, generally we remove the bricks. What is the shape of the plastic scale? So to change the some shape it. Okay. These are the examples of the changes in the shape of the body. Shape of the body. Again, we will take any one stitched rubber bands. For example, we will take one rubber band. Okay, a stitched rubber band. Starting with what is the position of the rubber band? It is easily elongated. So here only take force F net is equal to first rubber F1. Again we will take the two types of rubber bands. Again here only the total force is equal to F2. Again we will take the three types of rubber band. Here only the total force is equal to F3. So F net force is equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3 and so on. These are the examples of how to find out the net force from the example. So today we are discussing about our topic first. What is the definition of the net force? Examples of the net force. How to find out the net force from the any one body? Formula what? F net is equal to F1 minus F2. Here only F1 means force of the first body. It is the left side. Next F2 is the force on the right side. Okay now. So total net force is equal to F1 minus F2. Then after when we take any one body, this body to apply the any one force, immediately change the three factors. First factor is the change in the speed of the